Hello everyone, I am Dr. Darshana, Medical Officer at Epic Hospital. Today we are discussing about the first aid given to the patient at home. Top 5 that medical emergencies occur at home are like burn, fall, cut, insect bite, then cardiac and neuro collapse. In burns, we can do first wash the area, burn area by clean water. If the area is small, we can treat at home by applying Silver X ointment. And if the area is large, burn area is large, we have to rush to the hospital. Second is fall. Fall may depends if there is cut, fall with cut or only fall. Only fall, we will observe the patient. If giddiness, vomiting, unconsciousness, then we have to treat accordingly. If the patient is unconscious, we have to rush to hospital only. If the area is like swelling and all swelling, so we apply ice and it will be subside. We have to observe the patient for 5 hours next. If the fall is occur with cut, then we have to just press the area first to stop the bleeding. We can apply like turmeric acts as a local antibiotic action at home, easily available. And then if stitches are required, we have to rush to the nearby hospital. And cut is more bigger and bleeding is not stopped, then we have to go to the bigger hospital. In insect bite, most common are the two types like large ant bite, which occurs in cities most commonly. In that case, just apply the ice and give anti-allergic, I think it's enough. And snake bite, that occurs most commonly in villages. In that case, just bandage the proximal area to stop the spread of poison in body, and after that squeeze the blood maximum up to we can do, and after that we can give medical help in hospital only. After that we will discuss about the cardiac and neuro emergency. First, in cardiac, that patient complains about chest pain, breathlessness. We have to just keep the sorbitate, that sublingual medicine for cardiac emergency. It's a very good medicine, that life-saving medicine, and after that we have to go to hospital. If the patient is collapsed, then we just maintain the airway and give massage if required and rush to the hospital. In neuro emergency, we will find the symptoms first, that the vomiting, unable to do the work by patient has speechless, face drop. By that we can just find out that this is a neuro emergency. Then we can't do anything for that in that case at home. We have to go to the hospital only. This is the, I think, basic medical help we can give at home by each and normal every person. And this is, I think, very good first aid medical jet help we are giving at home is the life-saving always. And everybody should know about these basic tips for medical help at home. I think this is enough. Thank you.